Welcome back to Scotty's Hobbies Amazon Finds. This is the Termitor LED headlight conversion kit. These things say that they're 330,000 lumens. For this kit, I actually got the H11, but you can see it comes in a ton of different fitments or different types of bulbs you could use. This is the type Z10. In the box, you're going to get some nice white gloves so you don't touch the light bulbs. You get a little card to let you know you might need a headlight canceller or maybe a different harness. Just some stuff and lets you know what types of headlights that you are going to be working with. Inside this little bag, you get a installation guide and some how-to stuff. Here are the actual light bulbs themselves. These are direct plug and play. Do your best to not touch the actual LED itself. You can see it's got vents on the sides, which I really like because LEDs do run a little bit hot. And again, direct plug and play. Box, this is everything that you get. 330,000 lumens, which I really liked. And I believe these are running at around 6,000 K. Did it say? But when you're looking at light bulbs, you want to find a light bulb that's between 4,500K and 6,500K. That is going to give you the most actual light that you could see in front of your vehicle. If you go less than that, the light is bright, but it's not very visible. And if you go higher than that, it goes super blue, and again, still not super visible. So that's what I liked about these. These things really sold me. And if you check out Scotty's Hobbies YouTube channel, I will be installing these in a little bit on my nephew's Hyundai Elantra, Nissan Altima, sorry. But these bulbs were a really good bang for your buck. I really liked them. So check out the channel. Hopefully you buy these, and if you do, cruise on over to the channel and let me know what you like about them, please. Again, Termitor LED lights, pretty dope. Thanks for checking out Scotty's Hobbies Amazon Finds.